Alright, I'm going to make a little demonstration here on the audible noise emitted by ripple control in appliances. So, I know I've done this before, except it didn't come out too well, couldn't really hear the signal. Now I'm going to do it, but a lot better. So, we have my ripple control transmitter, and over here we have a board that has a nightlight and a sprinkler timer. And that sprinkler timer, the 24 volt transformer in it actually hums quite a bit. So I'm hoping that you're going to be able to hear the signal in it. We're going to turn on mains power system. And, well, there's a little sneak peek. There's my receiver and street light connected to it. So, yeah. And here, because the motor generator set is actually quite noisy, we're going to take this out here. Now, if you listen, you will actually notice that the neighbor's air conditioner is on. Hoping that's not going to be too much of a problem. Alright. There's that. And here's this. And hopefully it's on. Yep, it is. That's a start. So, for the first time, I'm just going to set you on top like this. And I'm hoping that you're going to be able to hear it. And the second time, I'll put you inside the cabinet of this thing. So what we're going to do is we're going to come in here. We're going to send the signal. You want to see how I send ripple signals? Here's a little peek for you. So, actually, we need to turn off this light first. I'm going to let my eyes adjust so that I can go outside and run. Because there's a 15-second delay, and I got to get from here all the way to the thing and put the camera on. So, turn on the motor generator set, because the controller doesn't do it yet, because I need to fix the relay. Now, we push the button, and here we go. Alright. Alright, there's the signal. Successfully sent. So now I'm going to try the other method, putting my phone in that sprinkler timer's case. So let's do the other telegram. Alright, there we have it. So, that's done. Hopefully you heard at least one of them. And, yeah. So come in here and manually turn off the motor generator set. I'm hoping by my next video I will have that fixed so the controller actually turns it on. I just got to replace the relay. That's it. So, in the next video on this, hopefully, there'll be some surprises. Definitely be showing that streetlight, so, because it's cool. Didn't show it this time because it was not related, but yeah, that's it.